Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the app and signing in. Get to the main journal view. Tap plus new entry to create a record. Once the entry screen appears, choose the date and time and pick a mood tag so your later searches work. Make sure to set privacy options now and optionally attach a photo. This prevents redoing steps later. Start typing a short title, then flesh out the body with 2-3 brief reflections so the habit sticks. Once you have entries, organize them using tags, folders, or built-in filters so retrieval is fast. You should attach photos or a short voice note for richer context. Location stamps help recreate moments. Use templates or daily prompts to speed writing and ensure consistency. Make sure autosave is enabled and back up to cloud storage. This prevents data loss. As you tag and categorize, the app learns your patterns and surfaces relevant entries more effectively. You finish by reviewing recent entries via the timeline or calendar and create a short monthly summary to track trends. When needed, export selected entries as PDF or CSV for printing or backup and confirm your cloud sync completed successfully. If you encounter problems, first check Wi-Fi, available storage, and app permissions, then force close and reopen the app. If sync still fails, sign out and sign back in to refresh credentials, and only then contact support with a console log attached.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.